Hello my fellow friends, good morning. I hope you guys are doing great. It was the second day of our total 3 days of stay at Rovaniemi, Finland. As a part of our activities, we are now at snowvillage Kittilä, Finland. As you can see on the map, it was not so far from our hotel. It took us roughly 2.5 hours. I would recommend it to visit. You would have the opportunity to see the sculpture which are made of ice, and they have used lights to make them more attractive. You can also sit on a chair made of ice, order a drink at the minibar, sit here and enjoy your drink here. Walk around and find out about other beautiful creations. I hope you have enjoyed the inside tour. Let's have a look at what it looks like from the above. Our next destination is Levi. We'll do ice skating there. Please follow the next video so that you can see how is the experience of ice skating. Thanks for watching. Please check out the other videos of this series, and please like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next one. Bye.